this video, I'm going to share what I consider to be a good budget desk that not only looks aesthetically pleasing but does not break the bank. And later in the video, I'm also going to share the accessories I use that would last you a very long time to boost your productivity. First things first, you need a desk. In this case, I recommend getting a budget-friendly IKEA desk. This is called the LAGKAPTEN tabletop and it's paired with ADILS legs. This, in my opinion, is the best budget-friendly desk that you can get. This desk is about 47 inches wide and 24 inches deep, which is more than enough to handle a heavy monitor or a laptop setup kind of like mine. To prevent your desk from getting any damages like stains or scratches, I recommend that you get a desk mat. Now, the desk mat that I got is from Amazon and it's really budget friendly as it only costs $12. This looks a lot similar to the Grovemade's desk mat. Now, for this setup, I don't use a monitor, so to compensate for height adjustment, I got a laptop stand. It's by a company called LAKEY, and what it does, it raises the height of my laptop so I don't have to look down on the desk, which relieves me from any neck pain. This comes in many colors. I chose the silver color, and it's fully height adjustable and you can tilt it as you would like. So in practice, you could keep it as low as you want or as high as you want. I just keep it in the middle, kind of like this. Now, to declutter my desk space, I invested in a headphone stand. This really helps me keep my desk space organized and clean. For the headphones, I'm using the Sony XB900N. They're about 2 years old, but they still do their jobs pretty good and provide quality sound. The headphone stand is pretty inexpensive itself, and it does its job fairly well by holding the headphones. Next, I recommend that you invest in a good desk lamp. Good lighting around your desk area is necessary when you're reading, working, or doing any kind of work on your computer. And that's why I got this LED desk lamp. This lamp is battery operated, but you could always keep it plugged in and use it as a wired lamp. This also offers 5 different color modes and 5 different brightness levels. Also, you can set a timer so that it turns on for 30 to 60 minutes. And the best part is that this lamp is fully adjustable. This lamp comes in many different colors, but I chose the silver to go along with my silver MacBook Pro. Next, we're going to discuss aesthetics. Having a budget desk doesn't really mean that it should be a plain desk. You can get some budget-friendly accessories to decorate your desk. To make my desk more lively, I got a plant from IKEA. It's called the Ikea Plant. Now, it's not real, but you could always substitute and get the real plant. Next, I got a desk clock. Not only it looks great, but it helps me tell time throughout the day. So as you can tell, a lot of things I got here are from IKEA and they're quite budget friendly. Now, I'm not really a Funko Pop collector. I only have like 4 Funko Pops total, and 2 of them I use them to decorate this desk. I have Doc Brown from Back to the Future and John Wick and his cute little dog. For me, this sums up the aesthetics as I have IKEA stuff on my left and to my right is all the Funko Pop stuff. Next comes the desktop and laptop accessories, by which I mean mouse, keyboard, and any peripherals that help your device run smoother. For the keyboard, I recommend getting a Logitech MX Keys Mini. This is a really nice compact keyboard, which at a switch of a button can be used with multiple devices. I currently use it with my Mac and Windows and my work laptop. For the mouse, I also went with Logitech on this one. I got the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse, and that is an absolute productivity beast. It really comes in handy for editing videos or coding, and it's got enough dedicated buttons for dedicated tasks. Now, I do admit that the mouse and the keyboard are on the pricey side and not as budget friendly, but if you get these now, they will last you a very long time. Now, I prefer taking physical notes over digital notes. I got this premium notebook from Amazon. To go along with the notebook, I also use this Parker Jotter Pen. This is a stainless steel pen and it really feels premium for the price. I've been using this pen all my life and it never disappoints. Whether it's cold, hot, or any time of the day, this pen will always continue to write. Since it feels so nice and premium, I really enjoy writing in this notebook. It actually motivates me to write more than I should. I've noticed that when I take notes physically on pen and paper, I tend to remember those things a lot more than taking notes on my laptop or tablet. Having a good power supply is a must-have desk essential. I use this power brick by a company called PowerSav, and it offers 3 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. It also has 5 plugs. This pretty much serves me like a power station for charging all my devices. Now, from time to time, my laptop does get dirty. For cleaning the laptop, I use this cleaner by Oxo Goods. It helps remove any of the crumbs or dirt from my laptop keyboard, and it helps me remove any smudges. I highly recommend that you try this out if you haven't. For wirelessly charging my phone, I use this Anker wireless charger. I really like the fact that my phone is standing upright and not laying on the desk. And as I even have a case on my phone, it still charges it just fine. The charging speed really depends on what kind of power supply you have added to it. In my case, I'm using an 18-watt charger, so I'm able to fast charge my phone without any problems. The last thing that I recommend is getting a USB hub, and not just any random one, just get it from Anker or a well-known company. This version that I have is from Anker, and it offers HDMI, USB-C, USB 3, and an SD card slot for inputting all those different devices. I primarily use this a lot with my work laptop and my old Windows laptop. Using a USB cup can come in really handy if you're trying to increase the number of ports for your laptop or desktop, or if you use a lot of USB devices. So this is pretty much it for a budget desk setup. Now, I did use an LED light to give that glow effect, and after turning off the lights, here's what everything looked like. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, as I had fun making it. And if you have any questions or would like to comment, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them. Remember to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and remember to hit the subscribe. I'll see you soon in one of my next videos. Until then, take care.